In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a K-1 partnership tax form in TurboTax. If you received Schedule K-1 from a partnership, this is where you'll enter that information inside your TurboTax return. The process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to know exactly where to go so you don't miss the section. Before you begin, make sure you have your Schedule K-1 form with you so you can reference the details as you move through the tax interview. To get started, open your TurboTax return and go to the income section. This is the main area where you'll enter earnings, investment documents, and other tax-related forms. Since a partnership K-1 is considered a type of income document, this is the correct place to begin. Once you're in the income section, look for the Schedule K-1 area. When you find it, click Add Edit. This opens the section where you can either enter a new K-1 or update one if you've already started. If this is your first time adding the form, choosing Add Edit will take you into the setup process for that partnership income. Next, TurboTax will ask a confirmation question, and here you'll click Yes. This tells the program that you do, in fact, need to work on a Schedule K-1 entry. It's a simple selection, but it's what moves you forward into the correct tax workflow for partnership reporting. At this point, there's one important thing to keep in mind. You need to be using the premium version of TurboTax to file a K-1 partnership tax form. If you're on a lower tier plan, TurboTax may prompt you to upgrade before you can continue. That's normal because K-1 forms are treated as more advanced tax documents and require the version that supports that level of reporting. So in summary, you'll go to Income, find Schedule K-1, select Add Edit, confirm by clicking Yes, and then make sure you're on TurboTax Premium so the form can be entered properly. As you continue beyond this point, be careful to copy the information from your K-1 exactly as it appears on the form to help avoid errors or delays. If you're following along on your own screen, take your time and double check each entry before moving on. Accuracy matters a lot with partnership tax forms. That's it for this walkthrough, and you should now be in the right place to start filing your K-1 in TurboTax.